Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to install the latest version of macOS, which is Sequoia on Virtual Machine Workstation. In the previous video, I have shown you how to install macOS Big Sur on a VirtualBox. But in this video, I will show you the easiest method to install the latest version of macOS on Virtual Machine Workstation. So let's start. First of all, to install Mac operating system on a VirtualBox or in virtual machine, we need to disable two options, memory integrity and Hyper-V. To disable memory integrity, search for core isolation, click on core isolation, disable memory integrity. Once the installation procedure completed, then you can enable it. To disable Hyper-V, simply search for cmd command prompt, run command prompt as administrator. Now copy this command. I will add this command to the video description. Copy it and paste it to cmd, enter. Once the operation completed successfully, close command prompt. Now, to install the latest version of Mac OS on Virtual Machine Workstation, we need to download ISO file of Mac OS and Virtual Machine Workstation. To download both, open any of the browser. Here we have Chrome. First of all, search for Mac OS Sequoia. Click on this link. I will add this link to the video description. You can find all macOS ISO file in this web. As you can see, macOS 15 Sequoia. The size of this ISO file is 16.1 GB. To download ISO file of this macOS, simply click on ISO image. I have already downloaded this file, so I will cancel it. You can see that I have already downloaded this file, so you can download it from this website. For the second file, open another tab and search for Virtual Machine Workstation Download. You can click on the first link or in the second link. I will add this link to the video description. Scroll down, click on Virtual Machine Workstation Pro. Now you need to log in with username and password. If you don't have username and password, you can click on login. You can register. Once you signed in, click on Virtual Machine Workstation Pro 17 for Windows. Click on latest version. Click I agree and download. You can see the size of this file is 401 MB. Click on download. Let's open the folder. Right click on it. Run it as administrator. Click yes. Click next. Install. Click finish. Okay guys, we have downloaded the latest version of Mac OS ISO file and we have downloaded and installed Virtual Machine Workstation. As Virtual Machine Workstation is not supporting Mac OS directly, so we need to download one more file. We will open any of the browser and we will search for O2 Unlocker. Click on the first link. I will add this link to the video description. Click on O2 Unlocker. Scroll down. Download the latest version. Download. Okay, now we need to extract this file. Right click on it, extract all, extract, double click on unlocker file, yes, click on patch, wait for some times. You can see the file patched successfully. So close this one. Now open virtual machine, click on create new virtual machine, select custom, next, next, select the ISO file which we downloaded, AV download manager, compressed, MacOS Sequoia which is 16 GB, click next, select Apple macOS, select macOS 15, click next, virtual machine name, leave it as macOS 15 or macOS Sequoia, click next, the number of processor we will change it to 4, next, as our PC has 16 GB RAM, we will increase it to 8 GB RAM, next, click next, next, and next. For the hard disk size, we will increase it to 100 GB, select next, next, and finish. Once you finish, you can edit the virtual machine setting from here, 8 GB RAM, 4 processor, 100 GB hard disk, and ISO file. So simply click on OK. Now power on virtual machine. Select the language. We will select English. Click on disk utility. Select the first one, which is 107 GB. Click on erase. Name it as macOS Sequoia. Click erase. Done. Select install macOS 15. Continue. Agree. Now depends on your PC performance. It may take 30 to 40 minutes. I will pause the video and I will be back after 30 to 40 minutes.
macOS contains a built-in screen
Okay guys, as you can see, Mac OS successfully installed in Virtual Machine Workstation. Now we need to follow the screen instruction. First of all, we need to select our country or region. Continue. If you have Apple ID, you can sign in. Otherwise, you can sign up later. Click continue. Yeah, as you can see, the latest version of macOS is successfully installed in the virtual machine. If we check the version about this Mac, you can see macOS 15. So now for the better performance, we need to install guest edition. So to install it, simply click on virtual machine, click on install virtual machine tools, click on this link. I will add this link to the video description. You can see the ISO file will be downloaded. Click on OK. Now we need to power off it, shut down. Click on Edit Virtual Machine Setting. On CD and DVD, remove this one. Now we need to select from downloads this file which we downloaded. Click OK. Now power on this machine. Now double click on Virtual Machine Tools. Click on Install Virtual Machine Tools. Click on Continue. Continue. Install. Password. Allow it. As we are installing for the first time, we need to allow it. Scroll down. Click on Allow. Don't restart. You can see the installation was successful. Now let's restart it. Now we can change the wallpaper. After installing virtual machine tools, you can see that it is working smoothly and perfectly. Now we can change the screen resolution. To change the screen resolution, click on Finder, Application, Utilities, Terminal. You can copy these commands. I will add these commands to the video description. You can simply copy it and you can pick from this resolution. So let's copy it. Now let's paste it. Enter. You can see requested resolution and effective resolution. If we change it to enter, you can see effective resolution. So if we change to full screen mode, yeah, you can see that we have successfully installed the latest version of macOS in virtual machine, and we have changed the screen resolution. If we check about Mac, you can see we have successfully installed the latest version, which is Mac Sequoia 15. So this was all for today's video. If you face any issue during download and installation, you can comment me below this video, and if you find the video helpful, don't forget to give the thumbs and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.